today we're going to be talking about draining water from the kayak by one person on shore. So this is a very simple affair, though you need a lot of strength to do it, so make sure you don't hurt yourself. First of all, put the paddle between your legs so it won't get lost. Then, angle the kayak cockpit towards yourself and lift off your hands while standing straight so that the water in the cockpit can drain out. Now, go towards the bow or stern of the kayak and now push it down to let all the water remaining inside the cockpit drain to one side. Now with all your strength, lift it up to release all the water that collected from the bow or stern depending on where you're standing back through the cockpit out into the sea. As you can see, I didn't have enough strength on the first time, so I repeated this 2 more times to get all the water out of the cockpit entirely.